Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a green screen in iMovie on your iMac. I'm doing it on the iMac, so first things first, click create new movie and then find your video you have. I have my video here somewhere. Well, have the video right there, have the video on top. Make sure you have the video on top and then find your image you want, like for example space. If you want to be in space, I have this picture like over here, so I don't need to drag it. Try to have that there. Have the video cropped also if you can. The screen was a bit small at the studio I was at my library, but I have to use what I can. Have that cropped and then have the video and then click on this little button right here. It will say video overlay settings. Then click on this tab, click on screen. Put this all the way to here, and then now I'm in space.
Wow, this is amazing.
So yeah, if this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below and tell me if this helped you, and if you have any questions, comment below and I'll answer them. And yeah, I also made one of in Minecraft if you want. See that? If we have time, because at 9:30 it's closed, so yeah. So yeah, this is the video. If you so yeah, hit that subscribe button and like button and see you next video. Peace out.